welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backtalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I wanted to do a what did I pack for my Disneyland trip. I've never done 3 days at Disneyland back to back with a hotel reservation, so this is new. We come to Disneyland all the time, as you can see from my previous videos, but never for 3 days. We never drive, we usually fly, and never for 3 days. So my packing was so different this time because it's more days. I drove, so that means I could bring more stuff, and I get to change outfits. So I brought more outfits than you normally would for a normal day at Disneyland. So I hope you enjoy. I'm going to show you what I packed and then what's in my park bag in a separate video. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe so you can see that. And let's hear about it. Okay, so this is my first suitcase. This is my little one. You've probably met her if you saw what I packed for my Disney cruise. So in this bag, I have my extras, just extras. They're not really outfits. They're like backups to the backups in case something happens and I need a backup. I have this palette. I bought at Nordstrom, not really sure. I just like the colors on it, so that's that. I have jewelry. This little case I got on Amazon. I actually had bought one from Kohl's and it broke. So this is my like emergency replacement. But it has all of my Pura Vida rings, which I have a discount code if you want it below. I have my Disney necklaces and bracelets, and then I have earrings, my Mickey earrings and things like that. So that's my jewelry, and I'll probably put this over here. I have my curling wand and like my crimper. It like makes my hair look like it's been braided. In here I have underwear, so this is all my underwear. You don't need to see it. Lint roller, because we have Marceline. If you've met her or if you've seen videos from me before, you know I have a cat and her hair is everywhere. I brought my Coco jacket in case it gets cold in the hotel room, but I don't plan on using it for the resorts because I have my other jacket. Contacts, these are the ones I wear, the daily use. I brought a lot because I want to change throughout the day because we'll be here all day and you're supposed to wear them 12 hours. All of my toiletries, if you ever want to see what I bring, let me know. Nothing too fun, nothing too crazy. All of my toiletries in this little bag. I have hair protectant, this thing for my curling wands, lady things in here. By the way, fun fact, today when we were in the parks, I realized that they give you free lady things if you need them, of both kinds. So if you go to any bathroom, it says free, so that's kind of nice. And then in here is all of my outfits. So in a second, I will open this so you can see all of my outfits, and then I'll insert pictures of how I look, so this will probably be one of the later videos that you see. I have another little baggie. I'm made up of baggies with swimsuits, so all of this is swimsuits, and then my PJs, which will go over here. Look how cute this is, y'all. I'm obsessed. Like, I could stay here all day and stare at it. I asked my husband if we can get it for our house, and he's like, yeah, if you don't want to go to Disney for a while. So I was like, okay. So that's the little bag, and then over here is the big guy. I put it next to the door because I don't know if you're like me, but if I don't know my neighbors, I don't know that I want to meet my neighbors. But I brought a lot of bags because we're here for a couple days. I brought my lovely Coco guitar bag, which I never take to Florida because it's a little too big for Florida. But for here, if I have the bag space, why not? I have my hat. You met this hat from Magic at Your Door. I actually got this from Magic at Your Door as well. I have my Disneyland ears. I don't really wear ears, but I do buy them if they're like super cute. My viewfinder fanny pack that fits almost nothing. My husband's glasses, which I'll actually put up there. This pin trading backpack, which I might wear at night when we're just going for a couple hours before we go to bed. I have all of my cords, and then this really cute canister that I got for my birthday from my parents-in-law. It's a Chronicle. The place I saw it was at Hallmark. I'm not sure where they bought it. I don't know. I think my husband tipped them off that I wanted it, but I brought it with me because it keeps water so cold and it's so cute. So yeah, so this is more like my bags and just cuteness. And then on this side, I don't remember, if I'm being honest with you. Oh, you don't want to see that. Oh, and this one I got plenty of shoes. Shoes, I got plenty. I have my bands, my Nikes, and then my Waterloos. I call these my Waterloos. They're super comfortable, but Waterloos. And then my makeup, all of my makeup in this one. My wallet, you don't need to see it. I mean, it's pretty cute. Maybe you need to see it, but look how cute. Okay. And then more randomness that I had to like last minute pack. This is like my last minute pack randomness. So that's like the main things. So let me go ahead and take out all of the outfits, lay them out on the bed for you so you can see them. And then this is currently the park bag that I'm taking. My birthday is on Wednesday, so that's why I have this. So you'll see what's in my bag later. But let me go ahead and take these out. Okay, so you're gonna notice that I'm a little extra because I pack it with the socks and everything. So yeah. So I have these leggings. These are from Magic at Your Door. I didn't like them. If you watched the video, I'm like, oh. And I even put in my preferences, no leggings. But I tried them on and they actually look pretty good. So I'm gonna wear them. So thank you, Magic at Your Door. See, like they were a last minute thing. I got this from Old Navy. It's like a workout shirt. So it has like a built-in bra. It was on sale. It was like 50% off or something, but pretty cute. I think it's gonna be like, you know, when the park opens and you're like rushing everywhere. Yeah, definitely for that. The next thing I have is my alien outfit. So I have my alien socks. I got these on sale when Disney stores were everywhere. The matching mask. I have this cute little tennis skirt from JoyLab from Target, and then my alien sweatshirt from Bugs Lunch. That's where I get most of my sweatshirts, if you're wondering. I have this dress. You've seen this dress a lot. It's one of my favorite dresses. It has pockets. I mean, shall I say more? The matching little thing, and then shorts, because I don't want to be flashing anyone at Disney. You know, not cute. And then I have this dress, which is probably what I'll wear right now, because I don't know what I want to wear right now. But this dress, and then the little mask. I also have shorts somewhere in there. And then I have my birthday outfit, which is like another JoyLab skirt, these cute little socks from Hot Topic, and then this shirt from Stitch Fix from the Loungefly like clothes collection in a size large. And actually I wish I would have gotten an extra large because the sizing is pretty tight on there. And I believe that's it. Oh, my bad. And my jacket. That's the jacket I'm wearing. It's supposed to be like high of 80s, low of 50s, 40s. So it's really chilly in the morning. And then hot. Like between 1 and 4, it was hot. Like wearing this right now was warm. It was toasty. But yeah, I hope you like my what I packed. Let me know if you ever want me to go more in depth of like what's in my toiletries or my makeup or any of that. I just want it to be quick and to the point so you can see how other people pack. I will probably put them in the closet. There's a closet right here, and there's plenty of hangers. Or right here. I might just put them right here actually. I don't think we'll use this for like a snack bar, honestly. So I think it'll become my outfit bar. But yeah, don't forget to like if you liked it, and subscribe so you can see all our magical adventures while we're here for the 3 days. We have a cruise coming up, we have Disney World coming up, we have so many adventures, and I would love for you to join us. And until next time, adios.